Video title 12. What is the goal of a traffic campaign? The traffic campaign's primary goal is to drive people to your chosen destination, a website, a landing page, app, or messenger conversation. Meta optimizes delivery to people most likely to click links. This is ideal when you want to increase visitors on your site, get people to read blogs, or direct them to a sign-up page. However, traffic does not always mean conversion. It's about clicks and visits. Businesses use traffic campaigns for brand exposure, website activity, and to build remarketing audiences. It is the first step to bring users closer to your offers.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।